welcome back to another of my videos. As you can see, it's a better day than yesterday's. Was it yesterday or the day before? It doesn't matter. Anyway, it's a better day than the last video. It's a lot colder though, a lot colder. But the rain that day stopped in the afternoon and the sunshine came out, so that was good. But yeah, very cold today, so I'm well wrapped up. I've got my overcoat on today, my tweed overcoat, so that it keeps me even warmer. Just out getting some exercise. This is Sunday, the 13th of October, so time is getting on. We're just about coming to the middle of October, and there was a hard frost this morning again, very cold, so I thought, let's get out. There's little birds and mice and animals who'll be needing their breakfast. You know what it's like. You're cold and then you have something to eat and you heat up. It's like fuel. So I thought of my little friends and I thought I'd get out and get them their seed and their crumbs. Yeah, I had some hot cross buns left over and they were still soft, so I crumbled them up as well. They've got some nice fruit inside them as well for the little mice. Yeah. Let's go, let's have a little wander about. What I've noticed is the past couple of days with the leaves falling and they're now on the forest floor, I can hear any animals, like say the deer or the squirrel, the red squirrel. I even hear the little robins scuttling about the leaves. So you know how sound travels in the countryside, so I'm more aware of more creatures round about me just with the sound of the rustling leaves. Yeah, even on the path down at the very bottom of Leafy's Wood, I hear the crunch, crunch, crunch of people going along the path, crunching all the leaves up. So yeah, that's one good thing about dried leaves. You can hear anybody or anything coming from a distance, and you can be prepared to get the camera out and film all those little creatures or take a photograph. But it's a good sign for you to sit about and just listen for all those leaves crumbling up on the forest floor. I managed to spot the deer on the far side, over on the opposite wood. So, I got the camera out and I started filming them. As you can see, there's about 5 or 6 of them. Scavenging on the hillside, eating their grass. Isn't it lovely to see so many of them all together and thriving? Must be those apples they were eating the other day. Lovely, isn't it? I just hope that they survive the coming winter. Talking of that winter, the weathermen predicted we were going to be getting snow shortly. Look how red the deer's coats are. Lovely, isn't it? They'll be changing colour soon. They go a dull brown in the winter. Yeah, that's their summer coat. I see them on that far hillside quite often. That's on the estate, the private estate, so they will feel safe in there. That's where I usually film the fox. But I don't think the fox will harm them unless they get injured. A healthy deer can run around a fox. And look at this. Below me, while I'm filming the deer, Mrs. Red versus Squirrel. Running about doing her thing, collecting all those nuts and hiding them and getting under the witch's tree. Yeah, she's busy, busy, busy. Lovely to see. Lovely to see. Now, I'm so glad those fishing hooks I was waiting for to dress other salmon flies, fishing flies, came yesterday afternoon when I came back home. $7.99 they were for 100, a pack of 100 as you see. So there's no guessing what I'll be busy doing this week. I'll be tying many, many more salmon and fishing flies for those fishermen friends. And maybe the occasional one will get them for their Christmas. I'm going to be busy. While I'm here, I thought I'd show you those little cross buns, those little fruit red cross buns. Yeah, still a couple left for me to munch on, aren't they lovely? They were £1.50 for a pack from Marks and Spencer's. I thought I'd show you them. Those mice will be loving them too. Now, I think it's time for home time. Go home and get heated up a little bit, get the tea on. We've had a great day, especially filming wise with all those lovely animals. So, yeah. Before we go, we'll just feed Mrs. Mouse. Give her her lunch and her breakfast and dinner all rolled in one. Hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next one.